Hi everybody, welcome back to Love What You Eat. My mother is here, but she is off camera because we film many videos a day. So in today's episode, I'm doing the intro of how to make jarred marinated bocconcini, and we will show you just how to make it coming up next. Hey Ma, they'll still hear you on Love What You Eat. So as mentioned, you can prepare these to serve right away. You just want to give them at least a good, I would say 4 to 6 hours, or even preparing them in the morning so they have a whole day of marinating. And then you put them on the table with marinated eggplants, marinated peppers, marinated everything. Just if you're Italian, we marinate many things.
Oh yeah, all cold cuts.
Oh my gosh, yeah,
so
cold cuts.
Anything.
If you want to keep these for shelf time longer, then you can fill them up. As you saw, we drizzled and dressed them with olive oil for the flavor, but then you want to do a neutral oil to jar and can them up all the way, because if not, good olive oil will solidify in the fridge if you have a good quality olive oil, and you want this to be scoopable, etc. So these have been marinating all day, super delicious. You can eat them as is. You can throw this into a delicious Italian pasta style salad, or you can just have it on a crostini type of bread, which is how we will taste it.
Yeah, makes like for a nice little snack, even a nice meal, even on its own.
And honestly, you dress it up as you wish. I mean, our ingredients measurements are there for how many bocconcini we used. These are the smallest ones we found, but you can also use the little pearl ones, which are one size of this is like 4 of the tiny pearl ones. So as you wish. I find the tiny pearl ones are good on crostini more, just it holds more when you put it up. But this is just so good as an antipasto. We scoop these things up and we put them everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Everywhere. So I'm gonna give this a try. And that oil at the bottom, you saw me drizzle it on top because it just soaks up in the bread and makes for an easier bite. So I'm gonna stop talking now so we can enjoy. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito, favorito. Take a little. As you can see, it's a little messy on the crostini. Give it a mess.
It is absolutely delicious. Hold on.
It is.
I need a pin. It is super delicious. Now, had we had a bigger piece of crostini, better. But this is so good. So you'll see in our video description that we just put the amount of cheese that we ended up using, and then afterwards season with your heart, season with your type of flavors that you like.
And if you put olives, it's very important to take out the pits. I mean, you don't want your guests and family members to
break a tooth.
So take it out. And if you are drying them and you want to keep them in the refrigerator, keep in mind the expiry date of the bocconcino.
Yep. So that would be your tell of how long they'll last.
Yeah.
If you're in our family, they don't last more than a week. Honestly, they would be gone pretty quick. So I mean, we tell you guys, the viewers, for how long to keep it in. Use a little bit of your common sense on your logic. But this will go very fast. So have yourself a picnic, family style sandwich, panino, and like I said, you're putting it in as a side, you're putting it on top of some bread, or you're putting it in between a schiacciata sandwich. So delicious. We hope you guys give this one a try. If you do, let us know in the comments down below. Always check out our website at www.loveandchewy.net, where you'll be able to see a visual step-by-step on the full recipe. For those of you who are more visual, the photo aids are there to help you. But if not, I mean, the whole video is here as well. So
that's right.
Have a great weekend. Love you all. And until next time, continue to
love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye. Have yourselves a good one.
This is messy but delicious. Oh my god. Now it's better because it's more soaked in. Just soak it in a little bit more and then it's easier. Perfect.
Hold it.